Welcome to Time Capsule Interstellar Series, opening the interstellar window within, daytime exercise. Settle into a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Bring your awareness to your heart and breathe gently until you feel coherent and present. Resting your eyes naturally to close. Nice and slowly now, set your intention. Repeat after me, either silently or aloud. I now open to safely experience and embed frequencies that support interstellar mode. I anchor stable points of reference within my biofield. Move your awareness softly outward into the quantum field around you, sensing any sensations without forcing. Ripples, shimmers, temperature shifts, light, a presence or subtle movement. When an unfamiliar frequency arises, breathe gently and invite it to anchor as a stable reference point in your biofield. Say silently, I anchor this frequency safely and coherently. I will give you time to explore and anchor. Stay with me now. I'm right here with you. Now return your awareness to the heart. Give thanks, and if you wish, journal any sensations, insights, or clear knowing. Repeat this exercise daily in conjunction with your evening nighttime exercise. Notice how anchored references perhaps appear in dreams, daily intuition, or synchronicities. This brings our daytime exercise to a close. Stay with me now, more to come.